microcurrent gloves, and my clients are left. How can you implement it in your facial? We have 9 settings of the intensity on these guys. It will be a great addition to your service. Hello everybody, my name is Michael Zelani. I'm an esthetician and I am based out of Minneapolis, where I conduct my services from the studio called Riles Aesthetics. Today we're going to talk about the microcurrent gloves. If we were to talk about my clientele, my clients and their concerns, I would tell you that differs. Different age, different skin concerns, skin types. But what a lot of my clients indulge in and come to me for is the face sculpting and face massage as well. And that's where I am able to incorporate the microcurrent gloves from Zemits, and my clients are left so satisfied. So let me show you guys how can you implement it in your facial, how to make a facial out of the microcurrent gloves on their own, or how to just have them as an addition to your practice, to your massage, to your full body massage if you please as well, because you are welcome to use them on the full surface of the body as well. All right, so the way you as an esthetician would use this device, you would put something on first, like elastic gloves or your whatever type of gloves you want before putting these guys on, so we can ground electricity so you are not conducting electricity yourself. When I do it on the trade shows, I don't, and trust me, I get a lot of electricity myself, which I don't mind for the time being, but when I'm working on the client, it's a little bit too much. So you just want to have something protective in between the gloves and your hands, which I don't have right now, once again, but you will. First the gloves, then you put the microcurrent gloves on. You would dip them in the water to wet them a little bit because the silver string is gonna conduct electricity better when they are wet. We have 9 settings of the intensity on these guys. Most of the people, most of your clients are gonna tolerate 1 or 2 on the face area and neck, and then 3 to 4 on the body. Depends on the thickness of the muscle and the skin itself. Then we would use the conductive gel, which is here, Firming Genius from Zemits, based on hyaluronic acid and peptides as well. What you will do, you would deposit a little bit of the gel, and mind your gloves already wet, so there's not a lot of enough conductivity for you to perform your service. And that's it, you are equipped. Now we would turn them on, and they're on right now on the 1 setting. Let's say we are on the 2, and we are welcome to start and work on your clients. And if you're a tactile person and love massage, that will be a great addition to your service because you're able to mimic all the curves and all the muscles of your face, of your body as well. So you are just performing your services as you would. There's a little training that we're gonna talk about online that you can also see how to perform the massage. The main thing that I would say is that you have to stay on 1 muscle at a time, or like a few, but the same group muscle. So we would start at the belly of the muscle and we would stretch the muscle a little bit to the origins. So you would still feel the electricity if you're performing, the massage as you would usually do. But for the better effect with the gloves, I would concentrate on 1 muscle at a time, stretching your orbital muscles, stretching your forehead, platysma, and so on. We would use microcurrent gloves to tone your face muscles. Primarily, you can do it for the whole body, as we said before, but toning and lifting the muscle tissue, stretching the fascia tissue in the same way, producing more collagen as the fascia tissue regrows as well. And another benefit from the microcurrent is going to be increase in ATP production, which is the energy compound that needs for your cell to be functioning properly. So the more energy, the better. So as an accumulation of the microcurrent treatment, whether you're gonna be performing it once a week on your clients with your facial massage, facial sculpting, or just as an addition in your facials once a month, it will be beneficial to increase of ATP production inside the cells. And as I said before, there's 9 settings on these little guys. We just wanted to match the intensity of the actual stationary machine, microcurrent machine that we have with the pros and the gloves as an attachment. So these, we just wanted to make a portable device for you to be able to easily detach and recharge this guy right here. Easy manual wash with maybe antibacterial soap, maybe just soap, and then spray with Cavicide or Barbicide. Leave it on the side for 15 minutes and they're ready to use for another client. I cannot recommend this device enough. This one is flying off the shelves out of the trade shows as well as just selling really good online. People are loving it, clients are satisfied, the results are speaking for themselves. Get these little guys, enjoy yourself, enjoy your clients and the results as well. And thank you so much for staying with Zemits.